Welcome back! Today we're going to learn all about trucks. I have these 3 trucks in front of me and I'm going to show you what each of them does. For starters, we have this truck. This truck is a dump truck. A dump truck has a large bucket in the back so that workers on a construction site or on a farm can load heavy materials like, let's say, dirt, or if it's on a farm, they can load it up with vegetables like carrots and tomatoes. Then this truck goes off where it's supposed to go and it dumps the load off. And that's why it's called the dump truck, because it dumps everything that's in the bucket. Now, let's go through the colors of this dump truck. The body is red. The large bucket on the back is yellow. We have 2 gray lights here, and the wheels on the outside are black, and the inside is orange. And usually, the people who operate these trucks wear headphones to protect their ears from loud noises. I'm going to insert now a photo of an actual dump truck so you can see what it looks like in real life. Next, we're going to look at this truck. This truck is a Bulldozer excavator. This truck is special because it consists of 2 parts, one in the back and one in the front. The excavator part is this one right here. It's in the back of this truck. An excavator, or a digger, is kind of like a long mechanic arm that is used to excavate, or in other words, dig up heavy items like rocks or even trees. And the front part is called a bulldozer. A bulldozer is kind of like a scoop or a shovel, and it scrapes things out of the way or scoops them up. So if I were to demonstrate here with our rocks and dirt, a bulldozer would push these out of the way, or it would scoop them up. Scoop them up like this and transfer them where they need to be transferred. Now, let's go through the colors of this truck. So, the body has 2 colors, yellow on top and purple on the bottom. The mechanic arm over here, which is called an excavator or a digger, is orange. The bulldozer part is also orange. The wheels are black, and on the inside, it's orange as well. The hood is blue, and there's also a little person in there. Hi, little person. And those were the colors of this excavator bulldozer. Our third truck is a tractor. A tractor is very useful on a farm, especially because it can attach different equipment or machinery to its back, like this wagon. You see, it attaches like this, and it can haul stuff throughout the farm. For example, when the farm workers collect the vegetables and fruit, they put them in the wagon. Like, let's take some tomatoes and some lemons, oranges. Let's take some carrots and put them in here. Some more carrots. So this is a big load. So it collects all the vegetables and the fruit. They put them in the wagon just like this, and then the tractor takes the food to its desired location. I'm going to insert a photo of what a tractor looks like with a wagon. So now you know what each truck is used for, either on a construction site or a farm. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more fun educational videos. Thanks for joining Discoveries. Bye!